Tuesday, February 20. There are a rebellious people who are unwilling to hear the law of Jehovah. Isaiah 30 verse 9. Because the people refused to listen, Isaiah foretold that Jehovah would allow them to suffer calamity. Isaiah 30 verse 5 and 17. Jeremiah 29, 8 up to 11. And indeed, they were taken into captivity by the Babylonians. However, there were some faithful ones among the Jews, and Isaiah told them that one day Jehovah would restore them to favor. Isaiah 30 verse 18 and 19. And that is exactly what happened. Jehovah brought an end to their captivity. However, their deliverance would not come right away. The statement, Jehovah is waiting patiently to show you favor, indicated that some time would pass before the faithful ones would be rescued. In fact, the Israelites spent 70 years in exile in Babylon before a remnant was allowed to return to Jerusalem. Isaiah 10:21, Jeremiah 29:10. Once the people were back in their homeland and the tears of sorrow were replaced by tears of joy. Watchtower, November 9, 2022, paragraph 4.